Unlocking the Vault, best ways to make money in GTA 5 Online for beginners. Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5 Online offers a dynamic world of crime, luxury, and, of course, cash. For beginners stepping into the bustling streets of Los Santos, navigating the myriad ways to make money can be daunting. Fear not, aspiring entrepreneurs, for we've curated a guide to help you kickstart your virtual financial empire. 1. Missions and heists. One of the primary avenues for budding criminals to amass wealth is through completing missions and heists. Start with simpler missions to get a feel for the game's mechanics before delving into more intricate heists. Not only do these tasks provide substantial monetary rewards, but they also offer invaluable experience, crucial for your ascent to criminal supremacy. 2. VIP/CEO work. Rise to prominence by registering as a VIP or CEO and undertaking VIP/CEO work. From retrieving vehicles to eliminating targets, these assignments offer lucrative payouts. Whether it's cargo delivery or crate missions, seizing the reins of your criminal enterprise through VIP/CEO work is a pivotal step towards financial prosperity. 3. Engage in races and challenges. Embrace the thrill of the chase by participating in races and challenges scattered across Los Santos. Emerging victorious not only boosts your adrenaline but also fattens your wallet with cash prizes. Keep an eye out for these opportunities as they can serve as a lucrative diversion from your criminal exploits. 4. Invest in businesses. Diversify your portfolio by investing in properties and businesses such as nightclubs, warehouses, and vehicle repositories. These ventures churn out passive income over time, providing a steady stream of cash to fuel your criminal escapades. 5. Sell stolen vehicles. Embrace the life of a car thief by pilfering high-end vehicles and selling them for profit. Los Santos Customs and Vehicle Warehouses offer handsome rewards for your illicit acquisitions. Scout for rare and valuable automobiles to maximize your earnings. 6. Participate in time trials and free mode events. Seize the opportunity to participate in time trials and free mode events that pepper the cityscape of Los Santos. Conquering these challenges not only bolsters your reputation but also rewards you with substantial cash prizes. 7. Join a heist crew. Forge alliances with fellow criminals by joining or forming a heist crew. Collaborate to tackle more daunting heists, reaping the rewards of your collective efforts. 8. Complete daily objectives. Capitalize on daily objectives that offer bonus cash rewards upon completion. Keep a vigilant eye on these objectives and ensure their fulfillment to supplement your income. 9. Invest in stocks. Capitalize on the volatility of the stock market within GTA 5 by strategically investing in various stocks. Stay attuned to market trends and make informed decisions to secure profitable returns. 10. Rob stores and armored trucks. Embrace the thrill of danger by robbing convenience stores and intercepting armored trucks. While inherently risky, these endeavors offer a quick infusion of cash for those daring enough to seize the opportunity. In conclusion, GTA 5 Online presents a plethora of avenues for aspiring criminals to amass wealth and power. Whether you prefer the calculated precision of heists or the adrenaline-fueled chaos of high-speed races, there's a path to prosperity awaiting you in the sprawling metropolis of Los Santos. Embrace the criminal underworld, strategize wisely, and unlock the vault to your fortune. Happy hustling!